Hello everyone, today we will learn some nature vocabulary in English and Japanese. Okay, let's start. This is a tree. In Japanese, tree is called ki. Ki. Okay, next. River. This is a river. In Japanese, river is called Kawa. Kawa. Okay, next. This is a mountain. This is a mountain. In Japanese, mountain is called Yama. Yama. Okay, next. This is a flower. This is a flower. In Japanese, flower is called Hana. Hana. Okay, next. Sky. This is the sky. This is the sky. In Japan, sky is called Sora. Sora. Next, wind. This is wind. This is wind. In Japan's wind is called Kaze. Kaze. Next, earth. This is the earth. This is the earth. In Japan's earth is called Chikyuu. Chikyuu. Next, rain. This is rain. This is rain. In Japan's rain called is ame. Ame. Next, ocean. This is the ocean. This is the ocean. In Japan's ocean is called umi. Umi.